pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap South Kensington local and long-distance movers near me. Finally, you got your dream job and are excited to take a big step toward your freedom by starting life in a new state or a foreign country. Do not limit yourself by worrying about packing and moving your stuff miles away. Instead, keep your sights focused on the big experience while we deal with your moving process. Our moving staff is professional and experienced at operating your long-distance moves. We will pack your things protectively and in an organized manner and load everything up in our trucks to ship them to your new place. Expect timely and safe delivery of your possessions along with maintaining an open communication throughout the entire moving process. Enjoy watching your dream unfolds into reality while we do the moving for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Kensington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.